everyone, I am Krishnapriya. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really fun video. It's about clicking self-portraits at home with the help of a phone and by creating your own background. So without delay, let's get into the video.
The first background I am going for is a crumbled white paper background. So for that I have taken A4 sheets which are white in color and I am going to crush the papers and unfold them. So as you can see, I have made a bunch of those papers. Now I am going to place these papers on a wall with the help of a double-sided plaster. This is what the background looks like. Now let's see how it looks in the photos. These are the pictures I have taken in this background. For the next background, I am using these dried leaves. You can use any leaves that's available for you. So I don't know what these are exactly called. I have this tree in my backyard, so I'm using these. To stick them on the wall, I'm just using a paper tape. This is how the background turned like. Let's see how it looks in the photos. These are the pictures I have clicked in the leaf background. For the next background, I have used an old dupatta and I am using a double-sided plaster to stick it on the wall. So this is how it turned out. You can take any dupatta but make sure it's a little thick. Let's see how the pics turn out in this background. These are the pictures I have clicked in this background. For the next one, I am going for a plain wall but I am going to focus on elements like big chunky jewelry and flower, etc. Let's see how the photos turn out. So these are the pictures I have clicked with this concept. For the next background, I am using the crumbled papers from the previous background. So what I am gonna do is just draw a simple big petaled flower and cut the paper in the form of the flower. So this is how the flower looks like. Now I am going to flip it and I am going to paint it with green color. So I am going for green color, but you can go for whatever color you like. So just paint it randomly. The messier you paint, the beautiful the flower looks. So I am going to stick these flowers to a door with the help of a double-sided plaster. This is how the background looks like. This should definitely be my favorite. This background just gave me very happy vibe. These are the pictures I have clicked in this background.
So yeah, that was today's video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you like what you're watching, do subscribe to my channel and do like, share and comment to this video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.